Then components. What are the components of this on-power solar grid? Already mentioned: electric meter, safety switches, model mounting structure, interconnected cables, lighting arresters, earthing systems, net meter. These are all simple components which is required to install in a solar power plant. You can do in your agriculture field, at your home also, at your institute also. You take your, how many students you are there? You decide, sir, I want to install. Now you have to take the ESCOM. You go to the ESCOM and you ask, sir, your college want to establish one solar power station in our college, and because now grid system is there, and you said it will be role model by this batch. See, 2024-25 batch has done one solar power plant in the college, and it will be helpful whenever some gates are coming, some functions are there. At that time light is not, but that light you can utilize. At least your department, how much amount of electricity is required, that much amount you can generate. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the difference between on-grid and off-grid? See, connect to the grid. Connect to the grid and add electricity. What you get from the your utility company. On-grid systems are a very good option. If you have access to the grid, want to reduce your carbon footprints and save money on electricity. They are also cost effective, easy to install and maintain, and can be paired with other energy sources. However, they are dependent on the grid stability and availability. What is the advantage of these sources? Are not connected to grid and really on the battery storage to provide the electricity. Simple off-grid and on-grid means which is directly online, and off-grid means offline. Means you want to depend on the battery. That battery factor comes into the off-grid system wherever the battery storage system is having maximum cost of that particular battery. So the cost of that particular, for 3 kilowatt, if you are using battery and the inverter, at that time the cost of that system, generation system, will be more. If you are going on grid, it is less. Near about 1 lakh rupees it will be difference if you consider for 3 kilowatt generation. This is the difference connection to the grid. What are the aspects wherever the connection to the grid? Energy storage, cost, then maintenance and assurance of the energy. This is now, which is better as per your as per we have studied? Which on-grid is correct, good, or off-grid is good? On-grid. Definitely. Why? Because we are saving the money of that particular battery, which is not necessary if we are having the system of a grid in our area. Suppose which company you are getting the energy from in Karnataka, in your area? Yes? ESCOM or Westcom? ESCOM. Now, you ask to the ESCOM engineer, sir, you want to install one solar power system, whether we can do it. Take the initiative, because if you see, you are all budding engineers, upcoming engineers, you are having a capacity to do it. If you combine, because you are doing separate projects, yes or no? Instead of that, you can combine that money and do that. College will also ask, contribute something if you are doing. It is a one-time install, yes or no? And as now the scheme is going on, Pradhan Mantri Sauri Yojana is going on. Solar scheme is going on. If you give it, they will give whatever the amount you have installed. Subsidy will give. Suppose you are investing 2 lakh rupees, they will give 72,000 back to you. This information you can, then your money will also be saved. Yes or no? Now, what are design parameters? So, just now I given 3 kilowatts example in my house, whatever I have done. Similarly, when you want to design this system, what parameters you have to consider? Load is the how much load you use. Because suppose you are using at household, you are having 5 tube lights, 5 fans, 1 TV, 1 air conditioner, all these things. Then you have to calculate the complete utilization of that is nothing but the load utilization. Isn't it? Then you have to think whether I am using 5 tube lights, 5 fans, 1 TV, 1 refrigerator, 1 mixer grinder, everything at a time? No. Then what is the frequency of using that load that I have to run? Then according to that you have to calculate your load. Then second one, estimation of the number. On that basis, I told 4x4 panel and utilize. If this is finally decided, automatically estimation to the number is also decided. Yes or no? Then if we are going for off-grid, at that time battery bank is required. Cost of estimation of the system. Base condition, I have taken one example here. 2 CFL, 18 watts, 2 fans, 60 watts for 6 hours a day. I want to run for 6 hours. This is my basic requirement. Then I have calculated the total energy requirement for the system is totally connected load to the PV panel system. Number of units into rating of the equipment 2 into 8 plus 2 into 60, 156 flat. I have requirement of load of 156